Hey guys, Devamista one more time. Today I'm going to talk about something that is very interesting. So guys, each and every time when I have seen people, they always say, ma'am, I want to do code. Okay, so I have asked them, why you want to do coding? Do you know anything about coding? Most of the time the people says, yes ma'am, I know about coding, I have done C++, and I have that knowledge. Okay, and after having that knowledge I have came over here and in PCS Global and I want to do coding. So in my 10 years career I have seen so many people who has came and tried to do coding, but after some time they get distracted and they left that process. So, what is the issue behind it? What do you think, guys? I want to know from your side also. Kindly comment in my video. Okay. So, when I have seen them, they were very excited, very much that kind of thing that I can do it and I will prove myself and it's my kind of thing. And coding is very cool as well. So, when I have asked what is cool in it, that time they said that ma'am, if I know coding, I will be a software developer. Okay, and that job tag is very good for me, and that will be, I can say that I am a software engineer. So then I have asked, okay, so what do you know about coding? That time they get that main thing that I know Java. I have read about Java. I have seen so many videos in YouTube about Java, and after that I get that knowledge about Java. So when I asked, so can you do one proper project? Have you worked in a live project? That time they said, no, ma'am, I don't have any idea about any live project. That time I get started thinking, then what is the issue? Why they are so confident about coding? Because guys, this is the misconception about coding. People think that whatever they are learning from YouTube, whatever they are learning from other channels, they can get that knowledge from there only, and that knowledge can help them to grow. C and C++ is not the coding. It is the mother language of at first to start coding. But guys, they don't even understand that. And whenever I have asked them, so if you know and C++, do you think that those things are enough to be a software engineer? Yes, in my schools I have already done it and I know. And then about Java, I have seen so many videos in YouTube, and all those videos are very good, and I have that knowledge. So when I asked to work in a live project, that time they got that feeling that I don't know anything. I have no knowledge. Actually, I have no knowledge about Java, and that whatever knowledge I have, that is only the theoretical knowledge. So guys, don't think like that. That there will be 1 month or 2 months, 3 months will be enough to learn coding, and after having that knowledge, I will get job in a very good MNC. Yeah, you can, but that 3 months you need to learn properly, because the package whatever a software development company gives, that is 5.5 lakh. Okay, sometimes it's 15 lakhs, 14 lakhs. That is there, because 50% of people in our country get the salary only 50,000 amount. Okay, so and above that only 50% people have that knowledge. So this is the proper scenario. So whatever they are saying the right thing, because they are, as a software development company, whatever they are providing, they are providing uh, proper salary. But whenever you need to get that job, at first you need to understand that knowledge also. And if you don't have any knowledge of coding, they are not going to take you, guys. They will take you, and after that, within 2 to 3 months, you will face the actual scenario, and that time only you need to at first either you need to learn or you need to quit that job. So coding is not cool, coding is not so smart thing. Coding, being a software engineer is a very kind of cool kind of thing. It's not like that. All those things, yeah, whenever you are going to take that package of 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, you can get that, because it's very common thing that IIT candidates always get that package. And uh, in my fireside chat videos, you have already seen so many people, they are getting that package. But the thing is, at first learning, you need to learn. If you don't learn, you can't get that package, guys. So don't rush for the package. that I have to grab that package. At first, I need 5.5 lakhs. At first, I need 7.8 lakhs. That is not the thing, because package doesn't matter. If you don't have any knowledge, within 3 months, you can get anything. Okay. So, as at first, focus on learning. And for that learning period, you need 3 to 6 months. Sometimes it can be 1 year also. You need to work in live projects. That projects can help, only that live projects, that practical knowledge can help you to grow. In our PCS Global, there are so many candidates who has that first knowledge. After having their engineering degrees, after having their MBA degrees, MCA degrees, they have started working in other companies. But having, after facing that practical thing, when they came to us, uh, what we have said, that your knowledge is your knowledge, that is very good, but right now you don't know anything. We will count you, we will think you that your knowledge is zero. From zero, you need to start in PCS Global, and we are providing you the knowledge of practical projects. We are providing you the knowledge about uh, proper coding. And whenever you are going to do coding, at first, when you are working, at first feel that wherever you are going to able to fix the bug, you can understand the problems. Okay, and you are you able to do solve the problems by not taking any help from anyone? If yes, then only you know coding, otherwise no, not your knowledge is not enough. So learning is the one and only process that can only help you to grow. So you can be a Java developer, you can be a Python developer, that doesn't matter. Okay, actually what matters is learning. In PCS Global, what we do, we provide that proper learning to you guys, because your knowledge only can help you. And from our side, we are providing all the classes, all our free internships are already going on, our paid internships are going on. And do more and more internships, join more and more classes, because that classes are going to help you to speed up your career growth. You need to at first gain that knowledge, and how to start, from where to start. There are so many things you need to understand. And maybe you like to be a Java developer, but when you are going to code in Java, you face that you can feel that Java is not my domain. So what that time, what you need to do? You need to change your domain. Maybe Salesforce is better for you. So that time there is no coding. So maybe from our parents, from our society, from our neighbors, they always gave us that knowledge that you can be a software engineer, and we made it a mindset that we can be a software developer, yeah, a software engineer. But how? From where we get that knowledge? After having 2 to 3 months course and all, we can be a software developer. Is it so easy? Or is it so easy that one YouTube channel can help us to grow? No, it's not. Actually not. I'm not going to tell something that is superficial. Okay, in today's session, whatever I'm saying the proper thing. If you wanted to be a software developer, you need, at first you need to understand your knowledge needs to be proper. And whatever you are going to learn, either you have that interest or not in that, but that is also you need to know. If you find that after having 1 month coding period, after doing 1 month coding, if you feel that coding is your passion, then go ahead and do it. But if you don't feel that it's not for you, then there is other options also. So you can look for that options also. But don't waste that time. Only 1 month is the time span. Then you can understand, because I have done that thing with me also. When I have started my journey as a career coach, I have worked in so many organizations and so many institutions, and whatever knowledge I have gained from that, what is my need? I felt that I can be a influencer. I can be a speaker. Okay, for that I have chosen this way, that I will talk with you and I will share my information with you, whatever I feel. It can be anything, but I am going to share it with you, because I feel that that is the only job profile that fits me. Okay, I love to talk and I'm talking with you. So these are the things, guys. don't create any pressure on yourself that my parents are saying that you need to be a software engineer because मेरे बुआ का लड़का है वो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर है। बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं और ये बोलते भी है कि मेरे जो कजिन्स है वो सारे सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स है एंड मेरे घर में ये ट्रेंड है। जैसे किसी किसी के घर में गवर्नमेंट जॉब का एक ट्रेंड होता है, क्योंकि अगर कोई आईएएस आईपीएस ऑफिसर है तो उस घर में सबको ही डब्ल्यूबीसीएस करना है या फिर यूपीएससी देना और जॉब लेना है। तो ये चक्कर में मत पड़ो गाइस, it's not going to help you. It's your life, your career, and whatever you need to do at first you need to understand that, because I have faced these things in my life also. When I have started my career, that was my dream was something else, and I'm right now I'm doing something else. So that is the thing. And being a influencer, being a coach, being a mentor, I am going to suggest you that if you feel coding is for you, then don't make that bullshit ideas that coding can help me, coding is smart, coding is cool. For that reason I'm going to do it, or my package will be so much high, for that I am going to do it. Is it your passion? Do you love to do coding? Is it your thought process that coding is my one and only thing that I can do? Only then go ahead. And whatever support you need for building your career, PCS Global is always there. We are here to help you, and whatever knowledge, whatever thing you need, we are going to give you. And there are so many things in PCS Global. We are providing Java trainings, we are providing Salesforce trainings, so you can join over that trainings and you can get proper knowledge about it. And after having 1 month experience, then only you decide whatever you want to do. There are so many profiles. We have seen that they change their track after having 1 month experience. They feel that it's not for me. That time they change their track, and that's quite natural. So guys, think like that and be a proper, precise person. In my each and every session, I repeat this word, that the precise person. That means you need to be planned. You need to make proper planning, and after having that planning, only you can work. Okay. So guys, these are the things for today's session. Okay. So you can visit our YouTube channel. Okay, there are so many motivational videos are going on, and you can see, because self motivation is very much important. I am trying over here. I am sitting over here. I am trying to motivate you, but self motivation is the one and only thing that can help you to learn. Because after seeing all those videos, maybe you can feel it's not good for me. I'm not going to see all those videos. That can also happen. But if you feel that whatever Devmitra is saying, that is important and we need to follow that, then I am always there to help you. Whatever help you need, how you can proceed, how you can start your career, what is your passion and how you can find your passion, I am here to help you. I am always here to help you. PCS Global is here to help you. We can connect with me. My number is 8670117742. My name is Devmitra, as you guys, all of you know. I don't know, need to say it each and every video, right? So kindly call me, talk with me, and if there is any kind of thing that you can't share with your parents, you can't talk with your parents, it happens, guys. I am here to help you. I'm always here to help you. Devmitra is always here to help you, to solve your problems, to show you exact career path. Because being a mentor, it's my duty to guide you. And in PCS Global, I'm already doing it. And beyond of PCS Global, there is the whole world is right now connected virtually. And I am always available to talk with you. Okay. So when you need any kind of help, any kind of support, kindly communicate with me. I will provide you all the knowledge. Okay. So bye for now, guys. This is for today's session. I will connect you with you any other session.